सांगलोले एक घरान देखू आपण चोयतो म्हूण एमएलए हुंय हा तो एक दूस देखून येईन चोयला हे वाडो ओ इंकीच जाते रेल्वे रस्त्यारी एक दूस देखून येईल ना आम नको कित्या कसो एमएलए केलतो कोणी
दुसऱ्या इलेक्शनला तेगे भायले कोण निवडून आल तुम्ही
We want the documents from RVNL to prove that the land 10 meters that side and this side belongs to RVNL. That's it. He was selected by these people. He had to come over here and speak, but he never did it. He never did it. And till today he's lost in the air.
There is evidence, document evidence is there that this is private land and they are, trespassing without a word to the owner. I mean, is this the rule of the day to trespass into people's property without informing the people to do as they please? Ours, like I said before, this is a people-centric government. People are most important and they should tell us what is happening in our villages. But everything is silent. Why are they silent? Because they know that what they are doing is going to destroy the lives of the people, going to destroy our environment, our houses. Do you know, now that take that house behind you. The people, the residents of that house are not going to be able to live in that house. Where are they going to go? Has the government decided anything? Has the government carried out a study to find out what the impact of what they are doing will be on the lives of the people? Nothing is done. Why are we being treated as second-class citizens? On the contrary, here is the lady. Look at that house. There's going to be one track in front of the house, one more track behind the house. Will the people be able to live in those houses? That's the question. Okay, so you're literally throwing the people out of their own homes. And are you a responsible government?
That was for beyond the 10 meters. We are talking also of the right of way or stormwater drains which are alongside the tracks. This belongs to the public. Public here, the jurisdiction is for the local panchayat. They cannot sideline the local panchayat. They are an elected body.
You will not allow double tracking anywhere across the area.
No, we will not allow.
No matter what.
Not only in Velsam, Kansali, Arosi, Isorshi, Pali.
So enough is enough.
Enough 4 land acquisitions have taken place. The first land acquisition has been challenged in High Court. Last 4 months, their advocate, Mr. P.P. Singh, has been unable to provide the documents, ownership documents, to the Honorable High Court. And every time they are passing the buck. I think enough is enough. So let them first establish ownership rights of the land. Until then, we will not back off. Government, maybe ignorance is bliss, not for us, the villagers. We know what we have to do, and we have already charted our course. As I said earlier, come what may, they might put a security force or whatever, people are not going to back off. This is our land, belonging to the villagers, belonging to the panchayat, and there are active bodies here. So we know all along this coastal line, we know exactly what the people need.
Let us be very clear. We are not come as some political party or something. We have come as Ms. Goinkar. And we have tried to explain what is the basic thing. When there is no acquisition, kind first without acquisition. Second my third आम सांगला कितें आमकां रिस्पेक्ट आमकां गोंयकारांक गेले आनी आमगे लोकल्स आसा गेले तांकां तरी मातशें तरी तुम एक तेंची चिंताय तुमकां कोणा 4 जाणां जाय म्हूण तुमी 4 इंडस्ट्रीज जाय म्हूण आमकां गोंय काबार कोणाकाय
पुर्तुगेज सरकारान जेन्ना ह्या प्रॉपर्टी ओनर्सांक अप्रोच जाले ताणें सांगलें आमकां मातसो जागो दी हे टॅक्स ले करपाक सो द ओनरशीप इज स्टील विथ द विलेजर्स हू ओन द प्रॉपर्टी आतां हे जबरदस्ती आनी एक ट्रॅक घालूंक सोदता इन द प्रॉपर्टी वीच बिलोंग्स टू द पीपल सो लोकांनी कितें सांगलें आयज जो जमो जाल्लो आसा इवन पंचायत इवन द लोकल लिडर्स हॅव टोल्ड की बाबा तुमी डॉक्युमेंट्स घेवन येयात मरे तुमचे ओनरशीप डॉक्युमेंट घेवन येयात आनी मागीर आमी भासाभास करया बट हो सरकार आयज जबरदस्ती टॅक्स घालूंक सोदता without proving the ownership documents. And the sad thing is, MLA should have been here, the local representative. But कोणे सांगला की तो रातभर बिझी असता खंय ओपन क्लोज कितें गेम खेळटा खंय. So he is not bothered about the people. So our demand is advice to the MLA, if you are not with the people, please resign. He should have been there today in solidarity. He should have taken up the issue with the authority.
Since the villagers have a problem, they only turn back to us because we are the elected members of this village and we have all the right to fight for our village. Okay? Now there was a complaint that came to us that the RVNL, the railways had encroached into their people's property. So I issued a stop work notice for them. Okay? And I feel it is my duty. And I feel it's the duty of the deputy collector to come on the ground, see the reality. He is telling the railway authorities to do the work without any plan. There is no demarcation done. So let him come on the ground with a plan, show it to the people also, so that people also are aware what will happen and what is happening now, and we also can take action accordingly. He is putting everyone into a mess. It was his duty to be here. When he says he is coming here, he should have been here.
Is he coming or not?
We don't have any idea now.
Any communication?
Is he honoring his own words? I myself contacted DYSP, Mr. Salim Sheikh, and he said he is in a meeting. I don't know what meeting is this. When he himself had given, see, a man is known when he respects his own words, right? He has to honor his own words. We did not fix the timing. He fixed the timing.
कलेक्टर जो मुरमावचो हेड आसा तेणेन हे जे इलिगल काम चलता, एक्विजिशन जावना या टेंडर ना या कोणाक खबर ना, प्लॅन ना, खूंय बांदता, आपणाचे कोणाच्या बाटन गेले, ट्रस्पास केले, फाउंडेशन घातलो, रस्तो बांदलो, न्हंय पुरयता, झाडां कातरता, हो बापायचो फात कसो जालोलो आसा, एक जंगल राज कसो जालोलो आसा. सो हांव मागता कलेक्टराक आनी हॉनरेबल CMाक, तेणेनूच सांगलेलें की CEC रिपोर्ट येयलो जाल्यार CEC कितें म्हणटा तें आमी एज पर दॅट वयतले. CEC म्हणलें डबल ट्रॅकिंग नाका. सुप्रीम कोर्टाचो ऑर्डर आयलो, डबल ट्रॅकिंग स्क्रॅप केलो, कॅसल रॉक आनी कुले, तोरी पासून हे ट्रॅक बांदता. सुप्रीम कोर्टान खूद म्हणलेलें आसा की गोंयान वायबिलिटी ना, शिफ्ट युअर ट्रॅक टू कृष्णपट्टणम म्हणून. तोरी पासून सरकार हो आयकना, हो कोणाच्या प्रेशरार आसा, या हो सरकार लोकांक रिप्रेझेंट करता या फ्यू क्रॉनिक कॅपिटलिस्ट रिप्रेझेंट करता. हे क्लियर सिद्ध जाता की हो सरकार लोकांचो न्हू, गांवचो लोकांचो न्हू, हो सरकार फकत एक क्रॉनिक कॅपिटल आसा, चलता आनी तो कंट्रोलान आसा.
क्लियर प्रोजेक्ट्साचेर पार्टीचो स्टँड व्हेरी क्लियर आशिल्लो, आमच्या मॅनिफेस्टोन सुद्दां आशिल्लें. काँग्रेस पार्टीन 3 मिलियर प्रोजेक्टाचेर मॅनिफेस्टोन सुद्दां आपलें डिक्लेअर केल्लें इन दीस इलेक्शन. आता पॉयंट इज वॉट यू सेड की बाबा एज अ पार्टी आमचे MLA एसेंब्लीन ओवर सदांच काडटा पॉयंट. लास्ट टायम सुद्दां काडिल्लो. पूण हें सरकार जें आहा पळय, जेन्ना येता तेन्ना धांवता, एसेंब्ली कर्टेल करता. ह्या फावट ती एसेंब्ली आदी 4 दीस दवरल्या, प्रायवेट मेंबर बील घालपा मेळना तुका, प्रायवेट मेंबर रेझोल्युशन घालपा मेळना. आनी पावलाक हें सरकार जें आहा तें गोंयकाराचो आवाज हो दामता. आता हांगा प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टीन जेन्ना काम चालू आहा, दिसाचे सोड रातचे सुद्दां ते काम करता. लोकांची कंप्लेंट, सरपंच जर डेप्युटी कलेक्टरा कडेन वता आनी डेप्युटी कलेक्टर स्वता आज अपॉइंटमेंट दिता की आपूण फिजिकली येवन सायटीर पळयता, जाल्यार हो डेप्युटी कलेक्टर आज खंय मिसींग आहा. म्हळ्यार हाजे वयल्यान सिद्ध जाता की हे सरकार जें आहा पळय ते सगळी गव्हर्मेंट मशिनरी कंट्रोल करता आपल्या हातीन. नाल्यार डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान हाजेर उत्तर दिवचें. आज जर तुवें लोकांक हांगा टायम दिल्लो जाल्यार तूं कित्याक येवना. आनी आतां तो फोनार आमदाराक सांगता की आपूण आपली टीम धाडटा. टीम कित्याक? वेन यू हॅव गिवन एश्युरन्स की तूं हांगा येवन आपूण वयतलो तेन्ना तुवें येवपा जाय. दुसरे हांगाचो इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटीव ज्या लोकांनी मतां दिवन ताका निवडून हाडला तोय ना. आज अक्षरशः जेन्ना डेमोक्रेसीन कितें जाता, जेन्ना एक सरकार येता, जेन्ना एक इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटीव आसता, ते लोकांचे मुद्दे, लोकांचे प्रश्न, लोकांचे इश्यूज हे सॉल्व करपा लागून आसता. हांगा परिस्थिती आज गोंयान अशी जाल्या की प्रत्येक गोष्टीक आज लोकांक रस्त्यार येवचें पडटा. सो लोकांक जर स्वता रस्त्यार येवन जर आपले प्रॉब्लेमा जर सॉल्व करची पडली जाल्यार हे इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह आणि सरकार जाय कित्याक रिजायन जावचे 33 लोकांनी जे 33 म्हणजे इन्क्लुडींग हांगाचो आमदार जो ताका सपोर्ट करता पळय अरे जायना जाल्यार सोडा